Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and Voiceover Extra. Today's topic, self-sabotage. I have been asked, how long will it be before I can record my demo, even before training has begun? Many times people are in such a hurry to get into voiceover that they don't stop to consider how much more voiceover is than just talking. You've probably heard that to perfect a skill, you need to perform it 10,000 times. In reality, you only need to do it a few times to perfect it, but that's only if you're fully present during practice. Everyone is different, but if you clearly understand the process, and if you're truly present in the moment during training, you can learn rather quickly. I have a student that begins most emails with, "I'm worried that" they'll miss auditions, that they'll wake up with a cold, or that their studio won't meet quality expectations, and so on. They've already shot themselves in the foot. Basically, that person is a worrier, and they get sick a lot. Someone who is driven will learn the basic skills of voiceover rather quickly, while the person who says things like, "I'm worried, that's not for me, I can't do it," will fail before they've even begun. Think about any skill and you'll see the process. Even in a simple skill like throwing darts, all you do is throw your darts at the bullseye. You can learn how to throw darts in less than 10 minutes. Now getting that dart to hit the bullseye, that's the real objective. If you understand this process, then you have what you need to get started. Focus. It's going to take a positive attitude and some training. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.